We actually drove the area looking at various driveways. And we would, if the homeowner was outside, we would ask. And several had mentioned American Paving Design. We had a surface called Cool Deck, and it was falling a bit. So we tried to have that sanded off, and it didn't come off evenly. So we decided, we got a couple of 2 or 3 bids of various treatments, and we liked this the best. We do feel it's particularly attractive now, and we do love it. We added the fountain. We've just added a lot of things because this just inspires you to do that. From the minute that they delivered the pavers rather, the driver of that truck, I mean, he was awesome. Just to watch him deliver, not a wasted movement. Everything, all the workmanship was done. People knowing what they were doing. It was very smooth. As a realtor of over 35 years, I would highly recommend American Paver and this treatment. I feel it adds both curb appeal and value to our property.